Hello, my name is Cicely, and here is my futures presentation. So let's have a look at educated women in Pakistan and how women can positively affect the economy. As schools in Pakistan improve and girls gain access to education, Pakistan's economy will benefit greatly. As education spreads, girls and women can be expected to gain confidence, make informed political decisions, as well as contribute to the workforce. These factors will be critical in building the country's economy, fighting terrorist groups, and improving the future generations. Well, here are some statistics. 32% of primary school age girls are not in school. This number drops quickly as only 13% of girls are still in school by the 9th grade. There are many factors that contribute to the lack of education for girls. As we've seen in class, the schools are underfunded, have poor education standards, and are riddled with corruption. Not only do girls face these issues, but there are many more that hold them back. These include child marriages, sexual harassment, and gender discrimination. As we've learned in class this week, Pakistan is doing well compared to their neighbors when looking at the economies. However, it is still considered a poor country. To help raise their GDP, unemployment, and overall health of their economy, Pakistan must prepare their citizens to become contributors to society. It has been shown that economic growth increases 0.3% for every 1% of increase in educated women. So currently in Pakistan, there are more men than women. However, as education increases within women, so will the survival rate of both male and female infants and children. In turn, the population will continue to rise and the economy will continue its upward climb. As more women become educated, a cascade effect will occur, which we'll go over that in a minute. More education helps to lower the childhood mortality rate. Due to the help of friends and family who are not educated themselves, many infants die during childbirth. If childbirth is successful, the health of the child is still in danger. Mothers simply don't have the hygiene or healthcare education, leading to death from simple treatable situations. Can also lead to more women and men in the workforce. As we saw earlier, the population is nearly split evenly between males and females. With a higher population, more people are able to contribute to the workforce, nearly 50% more when women are included. Education among women also improves informed citizens, electing officials, and understanding government propaganda. A lot of times, there is fear among the Pakistan people, and they base their decisions on that fear instead of the facts and education. So education of women can also help with the corruption and abuse of power, as well as fighting terrorism. When there are strong educated leaders, a country is more likely to form tactics to combat terrorism. As we've seen throughout this semester, Pakistan seems to have a hard time telling the Taliban no and cut all ties with them. There are many leaders and officials who wish to keep the majority of the population in the dark, so to speak. This leads to the people in power continuing to control the power. As you can see, education for women will have a significant effect on Pakistan. When all these factors are taken into account, it is impossible to deny the economic growth and overall strength Pakistan will see. In conclusion, as education becomes available to girls, this cascade effect will help bolster the economy and create a better living for its citizens. In order to have a brighter future, Pakistan must improve their education system and offer better, safer education to everyone, including women. And here is a list of my references, and thank you for watching.